Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to upload audiobooks to Audible. First, you'll need to create an ACX account, which is Audible's platform for independent authors. Make sure to link your existing Amazon and Audible accounts for seamless integration. You'll also need to decide between two main royalty payment options, either a 40% royalty for exclusive distribution or a 25% royalty for non-exclusive distribution. This initial setup is crucial for your audiobooks journey. Next, prepare your audio files according to ACX's strict guidelines. Each chapter must be a separate, high-quality file, preferably at 192 kilobits per second or higher. Remember to include opening and closing credits and a retail sample. Crucially, maintain consistent volume levels, ensuring they fall between -23 decibels and -18 decibels RMS. This attention to detail ensures a professional listening experience for your audience. Once your audio files are perfectly prepared, it's time to upload them to your ACX project. During this step, you'll select your distribution rights, choosing between exclusive or non-exclusive options, which impacts your royalty rate. You'll also input all your audiobooks metadata, including the title, author, and a compelling description. Carefully review all details before proceeding, as this information is vital for discoverability on Audible and Amazon. Finally, after uploading, ACX will review your submission for quality and compliance with their guidelines. This approval process typically takes about 10 to 14 business days. Once approved, your audiobook will become available for purchase on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, reaching millions of potential listeners. You'll then begin receiving royalty payments based on the option you selected, usually on a monthly basis, directly to your bank account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.